Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to create polls using Google Forms. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using Google Forms to create polls? Google Forms can be used to create polls or create votes to gather information. It can show you the responses in one tab. You can even link the responses to a spreadsheet and download the data if you need to save it on your computer. Now let's create a Google form with polls. Access your Google form and select a blank form. In the section, write the title of the form and add a short description here. Now let's create a poll for a health program lifestyle. Your short description should support what your form is about. Type in the question here. First, let's write a question asking further information. We can set all information from our respondents as required. You can ask for their name, age, gender, and contact number. This can also help you get leads. Let's try different types of options for our poll. For this question, let's choose a linear scale. Write a question about the frequency of consuming fast food meals. You can see these options having numbers. Choose 0 as the lowest number. Now add the label never for 0 as the lowest number in the scale and add the label always for the highest number on the scale. Next, add another question. As you can see, it shows a preview of how a respondent will view this linear scale question. For our next question, let's use the multiple choice option. We can ask for the frequency of consuming meals per day. For the choices, add 3 times, 4, up to 6 times. A user can only choose one of these options. Let's set this question also as required. Next, let's add another question. So for this question, let's choose the multiple choice option. Type in the question in this field, asking about the physical activity of users. Add the options below. If you place your mouse over each option, you may notice this icon. This window allows you to upload images. Just click the Browse button under the Upload tab. Use this to upload photos as a visual for your option. Now the image for this option is shown here. For the second option, let's add a corresponding image. Upload the image from this window. Now the second image is shown below the second option. Now let's add a photo for the last 2 options. Now this question shows the corresponding images for each option. Let's set this question as required. Click the Add button again to create our last question. Type in the question in this field, and from these options, let's choose the multiple choice grid. This option shows rows and columns. Add a name for a row here. Then add the columns. We can add as many columns or rows as we need here. For a multiple choice grid, you can enable Require a response in each row. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to create landing pages, funnels, lead pages in just a few clicks, we have a marketing app that can help you build a successful online business. You can create beautiful web pages, click and modify, and you don't need to learn how to do coding. You can create funnels with upsells, downsells, or order bumps. You can grab leads and send emails using Cloud Funnels. It also supports all major payment gateways, and you can offer memberships to your customers. With Cloud Funnels, you can create any type of business website, landing page, and funnel. Build your profits using memberships. Profit forever with email marketing. So try CloudFunnels now. Go to the URL yournextfunnel.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.